Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing this super fun rainbow pride look, picked especially by Nate. So thank you, Nathaniel, for giving me something new and such a cool idea. I love it. So yeah, thanks Nate, dog. Anyways, that's it. I really don't have anything else to say in my intro today, I don't think. Yeah, I got nothing. All right, so let's jump right in. So my first step today is going to be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. This is in Drug Lord, and I am going to pop this onto the center of each eyelid. That way when we start putting our color down, it is as vibrant as it is in the pan. Using this yellow color right here, I'm going to use my JS11 brush and start in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to use just a light little hand right here and really start putting the color where it's going to need to be for the look. You want to try not to get too much color down on your actual lid for when you are doing the cut crease, because even though we are covering it, it isn't difficult for the pigmentation to bust through. So just be extra careful to not let it drop down onto your eyelid so much. And as I get further down, I'm just gonna kind of tickle it into that inner corner. Staying in my James Charles palette, I'm going to just use this orange shade right here for my next one on the Morphe M456, and just picking up a little bit of that on either side of my brush. What I'm doing right here is I'm just going to sneak into where I ended my yellow and start blending over. Okay, now for a good pink shade, I'm going to go into my Morphe Jeffree Star palette and using Self-Made on a Morphe M433. And for this, I'm just popping it in small little circular motions. I'm not getting too big. This is a bigger brush. You're going to want to stay super tight and small and light-handed with these motions. Okay, I'm now going back in with my orange shade, and I'm going to just add in more color because this pink is so pigmented. I kind of want to have that same intensity everywhere else. Using a clean Morphe M433, I'm just gonna go underneath all that nice color that we laid and blend it out. Even though we are gonna do a cut crease, just soften it up a little bit. Now we're going to move on to the cut crease, and for that I'm going to use the JS Velour Liquid Lipstick again. Again, it's shade Drug Lord, and I'm just going to use my Morphe M213. It is a super small brush, guys. I'm just going to dip right in there, and I'm going to place it on my lid, and then what I'm going to do is use just the tiniest bit to go up and do the crease. All right, that is what we should be looking like right now. So I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, now before we do any more color, I'm gonna pick up just a really super, almost white nude and pop that over the white just so we don't have any creasing going on. And this is also allowing me the opportunity to just blend out the underneath and making sure we're not having any harsh lines. Back into the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, I'm going to use the shade Pink Fleet right here. It's not pink, Jeffree. I don't know why you said that, but it's fine. That was just a nice little dip, so be light-handed. And now I'm just going to really blend all of this out on my outer corner here, and you can bring it in just a smidge. I did lose some of my pink in there, so I'm just gonna go back with some more Self-Made on the M433 and just kind of pop it in there. Now I do want just a little bit more purple to show through on this look, so I'm gonna go in with a third palette. Now this isn't necessary for you to do. I'm gonna pick up another purple. There are two or three, well, that's okay. There are two good purples down here in the James Charles palette, and then there's also just up above Pink Fleet, there's this Mogul right here that would work really nicely. I just want it to pop a little more for what I see in my head. So I'm gonna pick up a third palette using the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And they have this purple right here in its can. And I'm just gonna go very, very tight into that outer corner and just kind of nudge it in there. I'm gonna use this nice blue right here in the James Charles palette on a liner Morphe M432. And I'm gonna stamp that right onto my lower lash line. I am actually going to pick up just a little bit of Flat Earth on my little packing brush that I'm using to blend. Okay, from the Colourpop Villains collection, they have this really nice glitter. Do I look like I care? Gliterally obsessed body glitter. And with this, we are going to just super, super tight line that crease. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay pressed powder again, you guys. I told you I love this. It's the Space Cowboy. And I'm just going to give that to my inner corner. Okay, I'm just going to do some eyeliner and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I just popped on some lashes. I'm wearing the Lilly Lashes in this style Tease. And I also put on some highlighter, the Kylie Crazy highlighter. I don't remember what it's called, but it's in the shade Fiji. And other than that, guys, that's it for this look. That's it. I really like it. It's super fun, pride filled. I just really love it, guys, and I hope you do too. If you want more creative stuff like this, let me know. If you want something more chilled out, just let me know what you guys want to see and I will make it happen, I promise. Anyways, that's it. I love you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the dinging button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.